So here we got a dirty 2002 Chevy Tahoe with the fly-by cable throttle on it. When I got the thing, it when it was cold, it wouldn't idle, it would pop, it would barely stay running. You'd have to start it 4 or 5 times till it finally got warm enough. Evidently the big problem with these things is the gasket on the air intake. Watched a lot of YouTube videos on how to fix this. You know, it popped a bunch of codes when a thing would idle rough on start. I replaced O2 sensors, watched a video. Another guy says without a doubt it's always going to be right here, the throttle body, and it's the idle air control valve right there. You got to clean that out and everything will work like a champ. Well, that never fixed it. You can get online, watch a bunch of videos on fuel trims and things like that, and that's how I finally found it. And you can only do it when it's cold. So when the thing was cold and running, and I had my my engine, you know, the code scanner that's got live data on it, I had my son spray down along the intake here, and it was somewhere here on the back cylinders is where the air leak was, which then it was affecting the short-term fuel trims. Once the thing warmed up though, then the thing ran like a champ, and when you tried doing that stuff when it was warm, you didn't get anything. The thing was actually able to pass smog once it warmed up and all the codes cleared out of it after starting it a few times. Bought the thing in California. So here it is right now. It's about 40 degrees. Car's dirty, snowed the other day. So with a new intake gasket installed, you're gonna see it change the oil. I'm about ready to do that. But engine's cold, haven't started it since yesterday. And here's what you get. And there's the change the oil. So I think runs great. Spent a lot of money on stuff I didn't need to spend money on. And as you can see, it's idling. And these things again are notorious for having a bad intake gasket. So hope that helps with your problem and fix mine.